guys, it's Melanie. Freaking kidding me. Okay. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today we have a lookbook video. So today's video is gonna be pretty exciting. Recently, I've been really into posting my outfits on my Instagram story, and I get so many DMs and comments, people saying that it's really helpful and that they really like it. So I figured I would show you guys some outfits. So this video, I'm calling it like a Brandy Melville inspired lookbook or something like that. I don't remember. Not all of these items are from Brandy, but it's kind of like their style, or I'm really into that style because we all know your girl's a Brandy fanatic. So really hope that it is helpful for you guys and that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures of my outfits and stuff on my story. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. This first outfit is a little bit on the edgy side for me. I've been seeing this trend going around where you layer a short sleeve over a long sleeve, and I'm really digging it. My long sleeve white turtleneck is from Forever 21. My band tee I thrifted. These jeans are from Garage. The belt is from Brandy Melville. And my shoes are Vans. This next outfit is super simple, but I would definitely show up to school wearing this. It kind of screams school in my opinion. This striped collared shirt is from Forever 21. These jeans are from Aeropostale, and I'm just wearing some slip-on white Converse, which I wear literally every day. This third outfit is definitely one of my favorites. It's super simple and comfy and cute. The button-up top definitely gives this outfit a school vibe, and surprisingly, none of these items are actually from Brandy Melville, even though it totally looks like a Brandy outfit. This button-up top that I'm wearing is actually from Garage. The jeans are from PacSun. My belt I thrifted, and my shoes are just some Converse. The fourth outfit is super comfy, kind of just like you rolled out of bed, but it still looks really put together, which I love. I am in love with this teddy coat. I got it from Zaful, and it's the warmest thing I own. My top is from Brandy Melville. These leggings are Lulu's, and I'm just wearing my white slip-on Vans again. And you did it right from the start. This last outfit is also super simple, but I love that it has a lot of little pops of color in it. My striped rainbow top is from Brandy Melville. These light wash mom jeans are from PacSun, and I'm just wearing some light baby yellow Converse. I'm so out of shape. I'm actually tired from trying on these outfits. So, yeah. I love styling stuff, but I hate trying stuff on because it's freaking tiring, let me tell you. The reason I hate going to the mall, I hate trying stuff on. It's too much work for me. And now I have to do laundry, which I also hate to do. So thanks a lot, guys. Just kidding. Love you. Okay guys, so that was the video. I hope that you enjoyed and that this video was interesting and entertaining and helpful. If you enjoyed this lookbook style kind of video, fashion videos from me, make sure to let me know and I will be sure to do more of these. So make sure to let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. I don't know why I did that. Bye.